Hello everyone, I am Xiaoying. Today, I will share a small thing that you may throw away every day, but it is actually a seriously underestimated life artifact. Many people buy fruit from the supermarket. They will see a layer of foam net on the fruit to prevent damage. After eating the fruit, most people just throw it away, thinking it is just garbage. But you may not know that this unremarkable foam net, with a little modification, it can become a good helper for housework. In a year, it can also save you a lot of money on cleaning supplies. Today, I'll show you how useful it is. First, it becomes a sink cleaning tool. After cooking, the sink is most likely to have oil stains, rice grains, and dirt. Using a regular rag, it is not only sticky and black, but also dirtier. At this time, use the fruit foam net directly. The effect will be completely different. Wet it with water first, then squeeze a little detergent, and then directly use it to scrub the sink. You will find its three-dimensional honeycomb structure is like a natural brush head, with many gaps and strong friction, which can easily penetrate into the corners of the sink and around the drain, these hard-to-clean areas. Oil, dirt, and residue can be wiped off easily. It is also gentler than a wire ball. It won't scratch the stainless steel sink or hurt the quartz stone countertop. Even the moldy edges of the glass glue, the edges, can also be easily cleaned. Just throw it away after use. It doesn't need to be washed repeatedly like a rag. It is both convenient and hygienic. Not only sinks, it can also be used to clean pots, pans, and dishes. It removes oil just as well as a dishcloth, and it is less likely to leave stains. Second, it becomes a heat-insulating and heat-proof sleeve. When using a glass to drink hot water and make tea, you often get burned by hot water. It is hard to hold and inconvenient to hold for long. In fact, the solution is very simple. Is the foam net bag that was about to be thrown away, stretch it slightly, and directly put it outside the cup. Its honeycomb structure itself has a certain heat insulation effect. It can form an air buffer layer, forming an air buffer layer. Even if the water inside is close to 100 degrees, the outside will only feel warm and won't be hot. And it has good elasticity, whether it is a glass, ceramic, or thermos cup, or even disposable paper cups. It can also increase friction and better anti-slip effect. Third, kitchen anti-slip mat. Many people have encountered a problem when cutting vegetables. The cutting board is easy to slide, which is dangerous if you're not careful. In fact, it can also be solved with a fruit net. Tear or flatten the net and place it under the cutting board. If necessary, put one on each side. Its friction and elasticity will make the cutting board firmly fixed on the table. Even when chopping meat or cutting hard vegetables, it won't move. Moreover, it can also play a little buffering role. After use, wash and dry it, and can be reused. Fourth, it makes shoes more comfortable and breathable. Sneakers can easily make your feet sweaty, and high heels are easy to slip and unstable walking. At this time, put a clean fruit net bag on the insole. Can have an unexpected improvement effect. Its mesh structure can increase air circulation in shoes, reduce the stuffiness. It can also provide a certain buffer, making your feet feel softer. Walking all day will be drier and more comfortable. It can also reduce reliance on insoles. You will find that a small net bag that was originally going to be thrown away can be slightly utilized, can be used in the kitchen and dining table, can play many roles in details. Many small troubles in life can actually be solved with this simple method. If you have similar life tips, please leave a message to share. If you think it is useful, remember to like and collect. You can also forward it to your friends to let more people spend less money and have a more relaxed life.